Hi guys, welcome to the Galaxy Squad, our new channel.
And today we're playing Adopt Me, and we're doing a 5-minute build-off challenge.
As you can see, we're here with me, Linda.
You, Linda, or you, Leah. Yeah.
Me, Leah.
And me, Kiara.
Hey, don't forget Monica.
Leah's the person who's doing weird jumping jacks.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's get started to that.
Wait, let's do a backflip. Everyone can see my backflip.
I need to do it.
Bye. I'm going.
Yes.
Okay, guys, build-off starts now.
Wait, we each
the 5-minute timer.
So we each have themes. Mine is modern.
Mine is donuts.
And mine is aesthetic.
Okay, and so guys, if you didn't hear, mine is donuts and Monica's is snow.
I can see myself.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
We're wasting time here. Okay.
I actually built I built my house.
Okay, I need to start deleting these ugly boxes in the corner. Yeah, I'm gonna start with that too. Okay, so delete. Just delete.
Delete.
It's not deleting. Can you
Guys,
help
I
me?
was actually
Sure.
making
It's not
I was
deleting.
actually
Can you
making
please
this
help me?
before, and
Okay, so you
then
have
we
to
just
tap
started to
it,
make the video. So
and then press delete in the corner.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I need to delete this other box next to the crib.
I'm just changing this color because I already made this thing.
And I'm changing the wall to my snow.
And I am.
Because guys, like if you
And
know,
I am making the wall a little pink and
because
white.
guys, like if you know, I'm a very cool person. I love snow, and Miss Leah here just did a.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
Well, yeah,
Sorry,
awkward silence.
Awkward silence.
Let's pretend there was a bird. Okay.
Okay. So
Also, guys, at the end, you guys will be voting who the winner is. But we're still gonna rate each other's.
okay, let's do a challenge. Let's see if you can press the like button in 5 seconds.
And subscribe button.
Okay.
5,
4,
3, 2,
1.
Did
Did
you
you do it? Did you do it? Did you
Comment
press
down
it?
below.
Comment down below if you did. If you think I'm the winner, which I will be, comment down below, Leah. Yeah.
And if you think I will be, comment #Monica.
Yeah, and same for me.
Same for me. Same for Kiara.
And me, Linda. And same for Leah, actually. Uh-huh. Okay,
Yeah.
and if you don't remember, Leah's name is spelled L-I-A. Not L-E-A-H.
Yeah.
Anyway, so I'm gonna add some of these modern nerds.
So guys, note that some of my ideas were in one of Megan's videos.
Monica, what's your theme again?
Mine is snow.
Oh. Well, okay.
Deep, dark. Well, actually, it's not dark. Snow's called is the actual.
Maybe if you dye snow, maybe you could change color.
Yeah, but match is just black and that's everywhere. And
Sometimes I see back snow. This looks so pretty when you make it sideways.
Guys, imagine if there's black snow. Imagine if like you're just walking on a very cold, lovely, snowy day, and then all of a sudden you just see black snow.
That would be
That'd be weird.
Especially if it's like
Or like
6
red
feet.
snow.
Oh my god,
That'd be weird.
That'd be scary. Guys, comment down below what color you want the snow to be. I love it white, but I would prefer a little bit of yellow.
I would
I like
prefer-
yellow. But at the same time, I feel like you could do that with dog pee, which would be disgusting.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw dog pee stones.
Anyway, change the subject.
Yeah, litter chocolate.
Guys, Monica calls Linda Lindor chocolate,
And maybe I should call Leah Leah chocolate.
but no one. Yeah, call her Leo chocolate.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you taste really amazing.
No, I would not taste good. What do you mean?
Oh my god, that's so weird.
Yeah, I'm just gonna eat the Lindor chocolates off Linda's head.
What do you mean?
I say Linda.
Okay, no.
Oh my god.
Please do that instead of Lee. Yeah, I mean me.
Or I can just do your chocolate if you're so amazing.
Lindor chocolate does not taste good. Do not.
Yeah, guys, comment down below if you think that Lindor chocolate tastes good or Lindor chocolate. Guys, comment down below your also favorite type of Lindor chocolate. Mine is the caramel one.
Mine is
the
the
chocolate one.
Yeah,
Mine is the white chocolate one. Jinx blackout.
Two
I'm
mine
just kidding.
think alike.
I'm just kidding.
I've never even eaten Lindor chocolate before.
They're so good.
Yeah, maybe you should just eat
I
yourself.
ate it. I ate.
Maybe you should just eat yourself.
I ate the candy bar Lindor chocolate, but never like the actual bar, like the ball.
Oh
thing.
God, this is making me hungry. Change the subjects.
Okay. So what are you guys building again?
Yeah. Ooh, this looks so pretty when I make the window sideways.
I wish I could see it, but I can't.
Yeah, you can't. Until the end, of course. So I'm gonna get this donut couch. Wait, let me take it. For some reason, this door is.
Guys, I lost track of time. And it's the end. Hands off.
What?
No.
What? Or are you just kidding?
I'm not kidding. I actually lost track of time.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm actually done. I'm done.
I'm done. It's pretty good. Oh.
Mine's pretty good. I think mine's
I mean, it's pretty good, but.
It's okay. I just needed to add windows.
Yeah, it's
Okay, everyone exit their home.
I need to.
Everyone exit their
Can I
home.
please change my doors, please?
No,
you can't.
I accidentally teleported to Leah.
Oh no, you got a sneak peek of my house.
Yeah, it's all nice. Very nice.
Okay,
Okay,
so can I
guys.
look at mine first?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Linda.
Somebody's
Somebody's confident.
Lindor chocolate's confident, especially since he's going to be eaten. Ooh, I see why you're so confident.
Wait, what is your theme again?
Modern.
Oh, this is actually nice,
Oh,
but
you
except this
shrunk this. Oh, wait, why'd you put barrier?
except the way that she except the way she put the
glitch inside.
thing.
I just don't like the build thing right here.
Yeah, Kiara, you can glitch inside the thing.
Can?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do it later though.
Use some
Okay,
extra
guys,
money.
I'm gonna show you guys around Lindor Chocolate's house.
Next, can we do
I mean,
mine?
AKA Linda. And if you guys like Linda's house, then comment down below #Linda.
Oh, wait, I was doing that the wrong.
Hers is the modern.
Hers is modern.
Hers is modern, as you guys can see. It's
You
very
know-
modern.
Okay, so I would give it like a.
5 out of 5. I'd give it a 5 out of 5.
I would give it a 4.
I'd give it a 5. I just
Actually, no, 6. Yeah, it's
6 out of 5.
no 6 out of 10.
Yeah, I would give it a 4.
I would give it a 5. Good job, Lindor Chocolate.
Okay, but guys, remember to vote down under the in the comment section down below.
My turn.
Okay.
And I'm not saying that because I'm confident. I'm just saying that because.
Oh, somebody's confident. Monica's a confident little person.
Okay, I'm going in.
I'm just saying because it's closer.
Confident.
Well, confidence.
Actually, mine is closer. But whatever.
Snow? Okay, snow themed. Ooh, yeah, this looks
I'm
nice.
just gonna teleport. And who wants to take a raw donut with some vanilla?
Okay, guys, if you guys like, okay, guys, if you guys like Monica's house, vote #Monica in the comments.
Yeah, with the capital M and the capital N.
Yeah, just put anything.
Oh my god.
This is her bathroom here. This is her bedroom.
Ooh, this is.
I like the bathroom. except
This
I
is
don't-
the living room.
Yeah, I like the bathroom, except for one thing I don't like. Is like that you deleted the shower so parents can't take like a bath.
Yeah, because parents are always clean.
And I also don't like the flooring
Rude.
in the
Yeah, it's different flooring, so I would rate it like a 4.
I would rate it a 4 too, I guess.
Because I would prefer a white floor.
Yeah, me too.
What?
And
Just
snow.
a plain white floor.
I
How
mean,
weird is
and
that?
snow is kind of.
Guys, look up.
Oh, you put mirrors on there.
Yeah, I
That's
saw
what
it up
I-
there.
Okay, so guys, note one more time. Note the most of the stuff I did is from Megan Plays. She did a video for it. So note that I did not create these. I just saw them.
Ooh, look, this looks like a bed.
Yeah.
Yeah, sleep on a duck. With the blankets.
Okay, guys, let's go to my house.
What's my rating?
Can I talk? Oh, right, rating.
All right.
A 4. I give you a 4.
I'll give you a 5.
Yeah, I give you a 4.
So 8, 4.
So
Okay.
13.
Okay, so now my house.
Somebody's conference.
I want to do mine next.
Okay, Leah's house. Okay, I'm doing Leah's house.
Okay, Leah's house. Okay.
Ooh, guys, teleport to me. Ooh, especially some 2 raw donut plates.
Oh my gosh, pink. So much
I
pink.
don't like is the doors. I didn't have enough time to change
Guys,
them.
look. Guys, look. Watch me do a cool flip. Oh, okay. Okay, who wants me to do an amazing flip? There, wham, you got it.
Okay, guys, let's go to my house.
Yeah.
This is Leah's house. So if you guys like Leah's house, vote hashtag Leah.
So I would give it like a 6.
Yeah.
I'll give it a 5.
I'll give it a 4.
I'll give it a 6.
So 15. Yeah. Okay. So next,
Okay.
let's look at Kiara's house.
Hers. So we have to hurry up.
Yeah. Ooh, I like it. I like the pale green that you put for it.
Ooh, this is good.
The only thing I don't really like is how simple it is. I don't like all the simplicity.
Yeah, especially this fireplace looks a little.
It's just a little simple. That's I wish it had more stuff.
Yeah. I wish. Well,
And it's a
like,
bit
you probably
empty.
could have put a fire pit because this looks.
Yeah, and
boring.
there's I mean, I like the bed on the couch.
Wait,
but
where's
also
the
would've-
fire pit?
Here.
It's right here.
I mean, it would have looked better.
Oh, it's right here.
I mean, I like how you put the bed in there, but
I don't know. I mean, that fireplace kind of looks a little long.
Yeah.
And you also.
Wait, anyway, I like the bed that you put on the couch, but it would have also looked better if you put a separate bedroom too.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah, I didn't put a bedroom because I didn't have time, so I just covered the
and then you
walls
just
up.
blocked out the bathroom entirely.
Yeah, that's because I didn't need the space
But,
there,
I
but
It's good.
Yeah, otherwise it's really
plain
good.
in here. That's cool.
I mean, it's good.
There's only a toilet and carpet in here. Wait, where?
anyway, what do you guys rate mine?
Guys, teleport to me.
Wait, I
teleport
So
to me.
guys, if you guys like mine,
Guys, teleport to me and you'll get a sneak peek of what it is here.
Okay, anyway,
Okay.
it's okay. We don't have to, but I'm going to give
Where
you...
are we?
okay, guys, if you guys
do you
if you
go?
guys like my house, then rate it.
This is the space that you blocked out.
Anyway, so
Then
if
how
you,
did you get in it?
so if you guys like this house, comment down below hashtag Kiara.
So I would give it like a 3.
I'll give
Yeah.
it a 4.
I'll give it a 4. So guys, I feel like that's a wrap for today.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching the Galaxy Squad. And
Don't forget to smash that like button.
subscribe or leave us a comment so you can hear about our new videos with your friends and family.
By turning on that notification bell. Speaking of friends, please share this with your friends, family, or anybody else you know.
Thanks for watching
Watch
the Galaxy
Galaxy
Squad.
And stay galactic. Bye.